Good afternoon, my name is John Thompson with Atlantic Emergency Solutions. I'm the account rep for Prince William County, and we're happy to showcase their truck today at FDIC 2021. Start out by telling you a little bit about Prince William County. It's a combination department made up of 8 volunteer stations and the rest being Prince William County Fire Rescue. They cover roughly 350 square miles, have just under 500,000 in population, running out of 22 stations right now with a couple more in process. I'd like to thank Chief Timothy Keene for allowing us to show the truck here today at FDIC. We'll start off by, it is an Aero XT 6710, so all that means is from the 67 comes from the front of the center axle back to the rear wall. That's your 67 inches. The 10 inches is the raised roof, so that allows 10 inches extra of door space for coming in and out of the truck. It's powered with the Cummins L9 450, an Allison 3000 transmission. It's got a Telma retarder on it. Going inside the cab, we have command zone electronics. We have seating for 5. We use the Bostrom vinyl seats so they can wipe down the seats of any contaminants after each run. Try to keep the cab as clean as possible. All custom switching, all custom power points. Going into the rear crew cab, we have 2 forward-facing EMS cabinets, and the gray box on top of that is a PharmGuard temperature-controlled box for narcotics. Working our way down the driver's side, we have a Hale QMax 1500 GPM pump. We have a front intake on the front bumper. We have a rear intake coming out the rear wall. We have your driver's side and passenger side 6-inch intakes. Everything is customized on here, lowered crosslays, access panels for easy access if when maintenance is required. Same thing on the passenger side when we get over there. All those passenger side panels are hinged out. Moving back to the body, we use a 152 medium body on this truck. We have a Lexan whiteboard here so the pump operator can do their calculations for water. We have full depth, full height compartments down the driver's side so they can fit whatever equipment they need to put in there. Full depth, full height again with a 30-degree tilt down tray. Tool tray with a couple adjustable trays. We do DA finish on there so we don't have to go back and fix up paint later on. I said earlier we used a 152 body with the driver high side and passenger side low. We do have upper hatch compartments on the top side of the truck. The reason for the access ladder to the top side. Nice low hose bed, New York style low hose bed with 750 gallons of water. On the passenger side of the truck, we have the low side passenger side with a 24, 14, and 10-foot ladder with 2 pipe holes behind the ladders. Custom rack for the hard suctions. More compartmentation, floor-mounted slide-out tray with an adjustable shelf. Air bottle compartments. Bottle holders with another adjustable shelf. And then these are the hinge side, passenger side panels that open up fairly easily once you take the appliances off, and then you can access for maintenance. The overall length of the truck is just over 31 feet and just about 9 foot 6 inches with a 185-inch wheelbase. As I stated earlier in the walk around, we use the Aero XT cab because it's the skinniest cab we make, hence the Ramco bus mirrors. To keep the cab nice and skinny, we used a 22-inch front bumper extension to accommodate all their hose loads. A roto-ray, which is pretty popular in Northern Virginia. All wheel and light package on the truck as far as emergency lights and scene lights. Thanks for joining us on this walk around on Prince William County's pumper, and we'd like to thank them again for allowing us to use it at FDIC. Thank you very much.